The importance of candlesticks. Candlesticks play an important role for retail traders. We as retail traders cannot access economic information like big money. Big money also get their information a lot earlier than we do. Moreover, in terms of money, we cannot compete with big traders who have enormous budgets. Candlesticks allow us to know what is going on in the market and offer us a roadmap. Candlesticks show us the level of support and resistance. It gives us clues as to where reactions will occur in the future. The candles themselves also give us clues. Let us look at two of the most common and popular candles that price action traders look for and go over what they suggest. The best known candlestick is the pin bar. It resembles a candle with a long tail and looks like a pin. There are bearish pin bars and bullish pin bars. If we look at pin bars, we see that the body of the candle is small and the tail of the candle is at least 2 times the length of the candle body. Bearish pin bar. The bearish pin bar has the tail at the top of the candle. It indicates that the demand is diminishing and the supply is increasing. It also implies that as sellers are increasing, prices are falling. This pin bar shows us that the bulls are pressuring the market up, while the bears are pushing the market down with a bigger force. This means that the bulls are no more the controlling force. The bullish pin bar. With the bullish pin bar, the tail is below the candle. It indicates that the demand is increasing and the supply is decreasing. It also implies that as buyers are increasing, prices are rising. This pin bar shows us that the bears are pushing the market down, while the bulls are pushing the market up with a bigger force. This means that the bears are no more the controlling force. This S&P 500 chart has a 1-hour time frame. We can first see a bearish pin bar, yellow circle, at the resistance level, meaning that the sellers are pushing the market down, yellow arrow. At the end of this downward move towards the level of support, we see a bullish pin bar, blue circle, followed by a move up, the blue arrow. Another thing to look at is the level of support and resistance. We can see clues there allowing us to anticipate change in trends. We also look for bearish pin bars after a strong bullish move and bullish pin bars after a strong bearish move, with the idea that the move is starting to run out of momentum. Engulfing candles. These candles are very common on charts. When the engulfing candle appears, a change in trend is more likely to happen. The candle is engulfing if it is bigger than the preceding 5 candles. Bullish engulfing candle. It is a green candle that appears at the end of the downward trend to engulf the previous candles and shift the trend upward. The bearish engulfing candle. It is a red candle that appears at the end of an upward trend to engulf the previous candles and shift the trend downward. The last candle is a bullish engulfing candle. It has a bigger body than the previous 5 and has an opening and closing price bigger than the opening and closing price of the previous ones. This is a chart of the S&P 500 at a 4 hours time frame. Take a look at the engulfing candle in relation to price movements. In the yellow circle, we see a bullish engulfing candle causing a stronger move than the previous 5 candles, meaning that in the last 4 hours, many buyers or bulls entered the market pushing it upward. The last candle is a bearish engulfing candle. It has a bigger body than the previous 5 and has an opening and closing price bigger than the opening and closing price of the previous ones. This is a chart of the S&P 500 at a 4 hours time frame. Take a look at the engulfing candle in relation to price movement. In the yellow circle, we see a bearish engulfing candle, meaning that in the last 4 hours, a lot of bears or sellers entered the market and pressured it downward, the yellow arrow. As you can see, candlesticks allow you to see for yourself what's happening with money flow and help you make informed trading decisions.